Hi everybody, welcome back to my video. I know it's been a while since I don't do a video, but I'm here. In today's video, I'm gonna do a unboxing on my Alltrue subscription for this season. So let's get started and see what's in my box. And if you guys are new to this website, this is a website kind of like fabfitfun, when they send you like boxes on season, and this website, they send you the packages not as quickly as fabfitfun. They take a little, quite some time, more days for them to ship it. Probably like a month more, way longer. That's something that I don't seem to like very well compared to fabfitfun, but the items are really good. So this is how it looks. It has this on top with this little booklet, where it has like other stuff that you have to choose, and so yeah. And they also have like recipes too. And here there's a recipe for you to make. There's this recipe that you can make if you want to make it, which is nice. But yeah, let's get started because there's a lot of stuff. I see this is a CUCCIO's calming kit, and say spot therapy. It's a cooling spot therapy and a pulse meditation mist. So I got a set of two. This is what I got. Let's see. And this one is my choose number 2, my second choice, and I choose this one for the other items. And this is a value of $68. Some more calm vibes. It's a calm kit from Cooking Somatology. Include 2 unique relaxing goodies, which is nice, and it's vegan, cruelty free. Nice. Some body in mind. You see in both. Let's spin it on in your pillow and encourage and relax sleepy time, easy for both body and mind. So this might help me like for sleeping, which is nice because sometimes I have trouble like sleeping, and hopefully this can help me. So yeah, this is nice. So this choose number 2, and I got this Earth Harbor SUNSTONE Hair Revival Elixir, seaweed plus jasmine. Got this, and it's a plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, no GMOs. Got this, and this is how it looks. Very cute. definitely love to get things for my hair because I want to take care of my hair. So this, let's see. This is in choice number 3. And this is a value of $30. Smooth far. You can put 5 to 15 drops on your hair and the ends of your hair in strands. Keep for at least long as needed for at least 10 minutes before washing out. And for extra benefit, you can just leave it in. Get scalp treatment, and you can just put 5 to 10 drops in the roots for 3 minutes, leave in and wash out. And you can use it 3 to 4 times weekly. Nice. Definitely like it. Yeah. So yeah, definitely like this one. I got this Sandbar Nomad. Got this. It has some eyeshadow. So I got this eyeshadow. This is a value of $26. And I got the booklet down here, so that's why I'm looking down to see. Excuse me. To see, to read the stuff there. It has palette, a bold wine and brown hues with matte shimmer and satin shades. This set has a little something for every look, from soft glam to bold shimmer, with color inspired by nature's own tone. Desert blush, rose, smoke, crushed pearl, Sandbar created, high quality, cruelty free, and says this vegan. So nice. I like stuff that's vegan. So definitely would check this ones. Let's see. This one has nice colors, as you can see. But this one right here, I don't know if I would use it, but I know that the rest of the colors I would definitely use. This one is very pretty. This one's kind of like a gold, like kind of like a gold orange color. This one, I like it. This one's okay. This one's okay too. Kind of like has some nice colors too. So that one was number 5. So I got, this is a volume love scrub, and this one is 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid, red tea, and seaweed microderm exfoliator. And this is nice. And this one, let's see, this one is worth $56. This one was a surprise me. This one, let them choose choose the one to put in my box, and they put this one, so hopefully I get to like this one. I like scrubs, so hopefully I get to like this one. Have not tried this brand before, but I'm happy to try new stuff, new brands. So yeah, I'm very happy to try this one. So yeah, this one, I think this one was in choose number 4. So yeah, and I got this daily concept exfoliating Mitt. So this one is still kind of like a big one, organic and vegan. Got this one. This one is a choose number 6, and it's a value of $16. So let's see. This is, as you can see, pretty big because my hand is way smaller than this. I like it, and has a little string to hang it in your shower. And my hand can fit down here. Really nice to exfoliate like your whole body. Just nice. Like it, definitely. I'm not gonna use this one right now because I'm using a different one. But maybe later on. I'm using one, like a smaller one that I have for my face, and it's kind of the same material as this one, and I really like it. So I think that's why I chose this one, because this one is for my body, and the other one that I got was for my face. So yeah, so I'm leaving the best thing for last, and that was this. So let's put this over here. This is a purse. This is a KAYLA plus Eva vegan leather purse. Bow tie bucket bag by KAYLA. So let's get it out of here. So this little tag, and it says it's vegan handbag. We commit to offer the best in vegan handbag. Use quality leather so you can join our mission. So nice. This is how it looks, and this is a value of $80, and this is how it looks in the picture. And I'm gonna this is a little string, belongs to everyone to hang it on your shoulder, and this other little straps. the picture kind of look kind of small, but this one's a good size. Let me put it kind of free, like in the picture, so you guys can see how it looks. And you can fit quite a lot of stuff in here. You could put, you know, your cell phone, so maybe some small like stuff, some glasses, and you know, if you have like reusable like bags, like when you go like shopping, you could put them in here too. So yeah, here it is. As you can see, it's pretty like wide. You can put it a little more tighter in the top if I want to, or you can just leave it like that. However you want to do it. And it's cute, kind of like a pink color, but I think it could be matched with other colors, which is nice. That's why I like it, because it has a really nice color. So yeah, so, let me know which item do you like, and if you guys are subscribed to this channel, do you choose some of the same items that I choose, or if you choose something different. So hopefully you guys like this video, and I will put down the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this ones. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye.